Salut, soyez les bienvenus à Learn French with Sonia. Hello, you're welcome back to Learn French with Sonia. Today we're going to be learning colors in French, part 2. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les couleurs en français, partie 2. Let's dive right into it. Now, the first one says burgundy. Burgundy. I know a lot of people do not know what burgundy color is in French, but today I'll bring that to your knowledge. Burgundy in French is Bourgogne. Yes, Bourgogne. Burgundy is Bourgogne. Bourgogne. Repeat after me. Bourgogne. Bravo. The next color is brown. Brown is brun. Le brun. Le brun, or la couleur brune. La couleur brune, or le brun. Alright, the next one says rose. La couleur rose. Color pink. Color pink. Okay, the next one says purple. Purple. Le violet. Le violet, or la couleur violette. La couleur violette, or le violet. Okay, let's continue. We have the ash color, which is le gris. Le gris. Ash is gris, or la couleur grise. La couleur grise. Couleur pêche. Couleur pêche, which is peach. Peach. Alright, we have cyan, color cyan, and it's also cyan. It's cyan, not cyan. It's cyan in French. Okay, we have topaz. Topaz. La couleur topaz. La couleur topaz, which is topaz as well in English. I'm displaying the colors on my screen so you can see them, and you're seeing the names in English and the names in French. We have topaz, which is la couleur topaz as well in French. The last one is color mauve. Color mauve. La couleur mauve. La couleur mauve. This one should not be hard because the name in English is the same as the name in French. Alright, let's take a few sentences. Before we take our first sentence, I want to remind you, or I want to let you know, and please take note that colors in French always agree with the noun in number and in gender. And we said we have two genders in French, feminine gender and the masculine gender. Number, it agrees with the number. And we said the feminine gender usually end with E. Not all of them, but most of them. Alright, then in number 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So when you see me add, let's take the example and then you'll understand better. Is that okay? The first sentence here says la voiture est rouge. La voiture est rouge. The car is red. The car is red. Le ciel est bleu. Le ciel est bleu. The sky is blue. Alright, let's continue. Elle a un sac rose. Elle a un sac rose. She has a pink bag. She has a pink bag. Il porte un pantalon marron. Il porte un pantalon marron. He is wearing brown trousers. He is wearing brown trousers. Elle porte une robe violette. Elle porte une robe violette. She is wearing a purple dress. She is wearing a purple dress. La neige est blanche. La neige est blanche. The snow is white. The snow is white. Ses chaussures sont bourgogne. Ses chaussures sont bourgogne. Her shoes are burgundy. Le chat est noir. Le chat est noir. We have come to the end of today's class. Please do well to go over the colors, learn them, know them. I usually tell you, take note, always take note, so that whenever you forget a particular thing, you can always run back to your note. Okay, I wish you the best of luck. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.